pressure group. The Democratic Party is a political party that has a working arrangement in terms of cooperation agreement. It's not a merger. There is a difference between cooperating and merger. We do not merge. That's why you continue speaking from here every day. There are pressure groups. For instance, Katonga, there are several pressure groups, but there is a party in Nigeria, you know. So your question is, you know, the answer in your answer is in the right hand. You're asking from the left hand. So what I am trying to tell you is that what me as a person, the appointments that President Museven has done is to align himself. But it's also a question of accept the transition by appointing young people, by bringing in anybody, even the one you thought is doing events. Today is a minister for young people. And you know why President Museven picked Baram, who is to events and dancing and put in the young people. It's about mobilizing many young people towards this side. So we have to tighten our belt. And so for me, is on how do we respond as opposition instead of lamenting and lamenting. And for me, as a person through the cooperation agreement, that's why I'm strengthening my house. So that even when I sit on the table, whatever cooperation, I can have a demand. In Kenya, politics is not of hatred. The man called Musalia Mudavadi and Wetangula did not even see eye to eye with Ruto. Today, they formed Kenya Kwanza. Ruto went with his party, which is the Democratic Alliance of Kenya, for the Kenya with Musalia Mudavadi, I mean with Wetangula, and also Musalia went with his party. So you don't. It is about what is the interest. And you know how Ruto won election by 200,000 votes that came from Wetangula's constituency in Bungoma. So for me, it's about what is in it for us. In Uganda, we have politics of hatred. We have politics of Mpalanirako. So as DP, we are very strategic. And that's why I told you, whoever thinks that is going to have a change, a game changer in 2026, the only party to watch is the Democratic Party. What President Museven has done is to completely show you that there is no difference between NRM and PLU. It's just co-opted everybody from PLU into the... So they are now governed under the one party. So those that had questions on whether President Museven is running, on whether it's... The question was answered. And for me, I just want to wish, it's now not politicking. I hope they can serve where they have been dedicated. And for CDF, you know, you can read the UPDF Act. It is properly now to allow you to serve as CDF. We want to wish all those that were appointed, and there is a demand for Uganda. It's not about how office you've taken, it's about service of the people, and we want to wish them all the best.